It's frustrating. It's really frustrating.
Flight delays are nothing new for travelers. At Vancouver International Airport this weekend, that anger directed at Flair Airlines. One of its planes had a mechanical issue, leading to significant delays in Edmonton and Toronto, too.
It's like 40 minutes before boarding. They said it was delayed by 12 hours.
An all-too-common complaint. This month alone, Swoop canceled 30 flights, mainly due to maintenance problems. And Sunwing passengers have filed 48 complaints since May 1st over flight cancellations. But up until now, passengers would rarely see compensation. They'd have to dig through the airline's own rules and then make a formal complaint to the Canadian Transportation Agency.
It's a very hollow and very expensive and time-consuming and awkward process right now.
This consumer advocate is optimistic the passenger Bill of Rights will help.
Well, there'll be a lot of improvements. There will be compensation for delays and cancellations.
In those cases, up to $1,000 if it's deemed to be within the airline's control. For lost luggage, up to $2,100 in compensation and up to $2,400 if you're bumped from a flight. But one of the most outspoken skeptics in the industry calls the new regulations deceptive.
Canadian passengers are being duped by the government.
He claims the new policies give too much leeway to airlines, like allowing for tarmac delays of nearly 4 hours and not forcing airlines to compensate for cancellations due to weather. He'd rather see Canada follow Europe's model.
In Europe, if you show up at the airport for your flight with your travel documents, with your confirmed booking on time, and for whatever reason you don't get on the plane, you get compensation.
He's joined the legal fight challenging these regulations. The International Air Transport Association, which represents airlines, is taking the government to court. And until there's a ruling, Canada's major airlines all say they will comply with the new rules. Tanya Fletcher, CBC News, Vancouver.